Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aleeza. So in today's lecture we are going to see what is programming. So let's get started with the video. So there are a few points on which we are going to talk about. So first we are going to talk about programming. Then what are the types of programming? Then what are the tools which we can use for programming and which can make our life easier for it. Then the last but not the least, how we will start with it. So let's get started. So first thing we are going to see is what is programming. Computer programming is the process that professionals use to write code that instructs how a computer, application or software program performs. In simple words, computer programming is a set of instructions to facilitate specific actions. That's what computer programming is all about. So now we'll see some facts about programming. The first computer programmer was a female named Ada Lovelace. The first game was created in 1961. Fun facts are that it didn't earn any money. Computer programming is one of the fastest growing occupations currently. Second thing which we are going to talk about is the types of programming. There are many types of programming, which includes C++, C#, COBOL, Fortran, Objective-C, Swift, Pascal, Python, Ruby, JavaScript, Perl, PHP, PostScript and many more. So guys, as I have showed you the tools of programming, the programming languages. So in the programming languages we have many. So I have one online platform, onlinegdb.com. So I'll choose Python 3. So I'll also show you today here a demo for this, and it's very simple demo, common demo. So for just printing a simple statement, you will need to write print brackets, the inverted commas, and anything what you want, like hello world. If I run this, the program will be displayed the same over here. Whatever I write here, it will be displayed here. And if I want to find out the sum of any numbers, what I will do is print brackets and do not put the quotation marks or inverted commas. So you will directly write 20 plus 30 or any numbers. So I'll run this. It will give me the answer for this particular sum. And if I want to print the same statement only for the number also 20 plus 30, I'll do the same thing what we have done for hello world and just write the something else in the brackets and run it. See, 20 plus 30 is print as it is. If you want to find out a multiple of any number, like print 2 2's up, run 4. Isn't it quite simple? If you want to learn more things for Python, please let me know in the comment box. That's it for today guys. This was the part 1 for what is programming, which includes the point 1 and point 2. And in the part 2 of what is programming, it will include the point 3 and 4. So stay tuned with us for watching the part 2 and get to know more about what is programming. Hope you like the video. If yes, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Thank you.